If you are manually mapping higher time frame structure and aligning lower time frame structure across multiple charts, you are repeating the same analysis every session. The problem is the repetitive process creates chart noise, slows execution, and can cause you to miss key setups. Watch carefully because this structure automation removes that entire process. This is the multiple time frame structure automation fix. The same top-down structure process mapped instantly across your charts. Now this is where it gets powerful. This is why the companion tool was built to apply that same top-down structure process instantly. Let me show you. Back to the 3-minute chart here. And I'm going to show you with turning on the companion tool here. And I'm going to turn it on and it's instantly going to give you all your structures in one click. You're also going to have down here is where it's going to show you a table for whether your time frame is bullish or bearish with your bias. You can see 3-minute, 30-minute, and 4-hour all currently bullish. Let's go closer in to see why this is happening. So let's look at the, let me just go into a setting and just quickly make sure this is set up right on that one. So we can see the last break of structure. So you can see we have our last change of character here on a 4-hour time frame. Show me our current move is gone bullish. We just broke into the upside on a 4-hour. That's why you're seeing that bullish bias. We zoom in and we can see on a 30-minute time frame, which is this structure, we've actually gone bullish and we're making a current swing pullback. And that's why it's bullish bias. And a 3-minute time frame, when we're looking to take your trades, again, we've got a bullish bias, prices pulled back, and we've swept that strong low. That is the key point. When you see all your structures aligned, and you can see it in a click of a button, and it shows it all on the same time frame for your multiple time frame bias, and obviously you can use this table at a quick view of the market to find a potential good setups. This is how the companion tool is going to create that speed for you, and you're no longer going to be looking for that manual markup, taking hours trying to make sure you're on the right bias of the market. Just seeing exactly how that tool can automate and speed up the full process. Now let me go through step by step, showing you exactly what the tool can do and to help you stop making those mistakes in your own trading with structure. So the actual tool itself will plot those highs and lows, break a structure, internal structure in the market, and what you're going to see is imbalances. I'm going to go through every single step now to show you exactly what the tool is going to do for you and how it's going to help you. Now, one of the biggest things I get asked is, can this work on lower time frames? Absolutely. It can work on any asset, any time frame. It will work perfectly and precisely every single time. Let me go through quickly and show you. We're on a monthly time frame. Instantly, when it's turned on, if I show you, turn the actual tool off, we have a blank chart. As soon as it's turned on, it's going to plot the current previous monthly break of structure and the current monthly high and the low. Now, as you go in, you'll see that these highs are marked. This is marked with a WH. Now, what that means, it means a weak high in the market. And what we expect to see is the market's going to want to continue up to run that weak high. And when we look down below, you're going to see the 1 month is a SL, which is a strong low in the market. So basically what you're looking for is for the market to come back to give you a reason to buy that market to run that weak high. And that's the way the actual indicator is coded to allow you to see all this information. Now, as well as those actual breaks of structure, when we see those highs and lows plotted, we're also going to see the areas of what I call dynamic imbalances. Now, this is something that I use myself and has been coded into this actual indicator. It's only going to show certain actual imbalances in the market, not every single one. There is a way we can go into the settings, and I'll show you in a second, and you can mark every single imbalance if it's way you like to trade. But for me, I like to see those imbalances below and above price. So this is the monthly time frame. We drop down to weekly. It's instantly going to plot them on the weekly chart as well. We also have what we call internal structure that can be applied within the swing move. So this is our swing move to downside, where we see a change of character has formed. And then we start to see internal breaks of structure, the IBOS in the market. Now, when it comes to the actual tool itself, you're not limited to the size of the text. the actual lines, the colors, everything is customizable to make it exactly the way you like to trade in your strategy. So inside the settings, you have quite a few different settings, but it's going to show you all the settings you need to understand for all the time frames, how you can use multiple time frames. It's going to plot those higher time frames on your lower time frame chart. So if you see here, we've got a higher time frame 2, higher time frame 3. We have the current chart we're on. Now, if I just go through and place that back, and we're going to go down to a 30-minute time frame because we had a current 4-hour and daily set. What you're going to see when I actually shrink that chart down, you're going to find we have the 4-hour, the daily, and my 30-minute structures all on the same time frame. That is applying multiple time frames on one single time frame. Makes things much faster for you. Now, obviously, you can still scroll through those time frames. If you don't want to use this, you can turn it on and off. To make it even better, we even added this down here on that actual time frame. This helps you to quickly look through pairs and instantly see, without any decision making, is it bullish or is it bearish market? And that was going to take away so much time in looking through current pairs in the market. Now, we can go all the way down to the 1 minute time frame, and I'll show you the same thing. On a 1 minute time frame, it's going to plot those structures. Now, we can go back into the tool. If you don't want the multiple time frames, higher time frame structure, we can quickly turn those off, and we'll go back and I'll just have the 1 minute time frame in play. So now we can identify where we have the 1 minute structure. Now let me quickly just show you a replay mode of this. So as the market moves forward, it's going to plot everything in real time. So we go forward, you'll see how it's actually mapping those breaks of structure. As the market moves, it's also bringing and moving those areas of imbalances. Now there's an actual way we trade these imbalances, but that's inside step 3 of the structure system. This tool is basically your step number 2. Step number 1 is learning this manual structure that I teach you inside this channel. If you want to apply this same process automatically, the companion tool gives you the same structured process without having to repeat the manual work every time. You can access the tool, training workflow, and support system through the link below. People who do go through the automation of the tool never go back to manual marking again. You can see how quickly it actually maps this, the structure breaks, everything in real time, internal structure again there, a new structure break. And you can see where we've got the previous imbalances as well. Now, I did say if you want all your imbalances, there's a way you can actually just turn on the candle imbalances. And what it's going to show you is every single candle which created an imbalance in the market. And also understanding these previous highs in the market where we have potential orders sitting above these highs, which will also act as liquidity in the market. So that is the tool. There's much more to learn about the tool, but you can learn all of that inside the actual course. Inside here, the settings, what you can also add on is a stats table. Now, this stats table itself is going to help you to understand whether a first or second break of structure is a good time to take a trade. Now you understand the manual logic behind multiple time frame structure mapping and how the companion tool automates that same top-down process. Let's look at another example to see how this applies across different market conditions.